If you know me, you probably know that I have a deep passion for making people feel powerful and unstoppable. Hi, my name is John Ruman. I'm an international business coach, consultant, and corporate trainer, and my purpose in life is to help people like you feel incredible. And today, I'm going to focus on women. Women do so much for this world. They take care of and raise many of the children who live in this world. They are nurturing and loving to so many of us. They can be your best friend. They can be your wife. They can be your sister. And one of the most important things for a person to have is a feeling of confidence within themselves. If they feel insecure about anything in life, they're not going to act the same way than they would otherwise. So one of the things that I teach, I'm teaching a self-defense and confidence course, and one of the things I always teach and harp on, and I hope you are watching now so you get this, is that you can feel like Superwoman. It is an option. It's not a crazy idea. It's not wishful thinking. It's the truth. But it takes honest to goodness effort. It takes consistent practice, and you got to know what the heck to do to feel awesome and powerful. So if you want to feel awesome and powerful and you want to feel amazing, it is a practice skill. It may sound crazy, but people complaining, pissing, and moaning about all the awful things that happen in the world or that they see or whatever, those things that they're complaining, them giving all those things attention, is a skill and a habit as much as those people who seem to frolic and be happy regardless of what's happening. So what I would encourage for you is that you create habits that build you so that you now can help the world grow in the way the world needs you to express yourself. So if you're a woman and watching this, please share this with your friends. Comment, like, get the word out there so everyone can feel like a superwoman. If you're a man, share this with women in your lives. All of us have the gift of amazing women in our life. Every woman is truly a princess, a queen, and a gem. So, and super amazing. So I'm very, very, very passionate about helping everyone, but I want to help the female part of our spectrum of this beautiful planet rise to their greatest levels as well. If you have a desire to get help in any way, shape, or form, I'm actually having a women's self-defense and confidence workshop this weekend. That's on a Sunday, 10 to 12 a.m. If you have interest, just shoot me a quick message and I'll get you the info on that. Also, I always do coaching. I very commonly will coach women to feel awesome. So if you know someone who could feel more awesome and doesn't right now, I'd be happy to help them feel that way. That's my gift, is to believe in people, encourage them, support them so that they get to where they need to go. I look forward to seeing you in the skies as you fly high. Bye-bye.